Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Assistant driving mode on Android. The quickest way to activate Google Assistant driving mode is to use a voice command. Summon the Google Assistant on your phone by saying "Hey Google" or "Okay Google" wake words, and then say "Let's drive" when the Google Assistant shows up. After the driving mode turns on, you can start using it. If you do not wish to access the driving mode manually all the time, you can also configure it to launch when you connect your phone to your car's Bluetooth or start navigation in Google Maps. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Google app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. Then, tap on Google Assistant. Scroll down to tap on Transportation and select Driving Mode from the following menu. Toggle on the When navigating in Google Maps option if you want the driving mode to launch when you start navigation. Likewise, you can configure driving mode to start automatically when you connect your phone to your car's Bluetooth. If you choose as before launching, your phone will prompt you when it connects to your vehicle's Bluetooth. You can accept that prompt to access driving mode. Optionally, you can also configure driving mode to launch automatically whenever it detects you are driving. This can be useful if you want to access driving mode without connecting to your car's Bluetooth. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.